This is Ron with Understanding the Bible. The first thing the Bible talks is about creation. It says in Genesis chapter 1, verse 31, God saw all that he had made, and behold, it was very good. And there was evening and there was morning, the sixth day. Now, a lot of people will say, if the Bible teaches that God created everything, why do most of the schools teach that we evolved over millions of years? And we find the answer by looking at some scientists and what they said. The first one is Dr. George Wald, a Nobel Prize winner and a professor at Harvard University. This is what he said. One has only to contemplate the magnitude of this task to concede that the spontaneous generation of a living organism is impossible. Yet here we are, as a result, I believe, of spontaneous generation. So in one sentence he says, life coming out of nothing is impossible. In the next sentence he says he believes it. Now that's not science, that's not believing facts, that's atheism, trusting in a preconceived idea. The other one I want to share about is Dr. Richard Lewontin, who is also a Harvard professor, and he said this, that he teaches evolution in spite of the tolerance of the scientific community for unsubstantiated just so stories. And then he later on says that the reason they teach that is because they refuse to admit there's a God. So again, these guys, these professors, these scientists are going against the facts because they have a preconceived idea. That is not science, that is atheism. Now let's look at somebody I love and really trust. His name is Albert Einstein. This is what he said. Every scientist becomes convinced that the laws of nature manifest the existence of a spirit vastly superior to that of men. So when Einstein looked at everything and how complex it was, he said, this proves that there's a super smart being that created everything. So we see that science actually disproves and goes against evolution and supports what the Bible says, that we saw here, that God created everything and he did it in 6 days. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, please watch my next video.